Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to send avatar in the Instagram. So this is the new update on the Instagram. Now you can send avatar on the Instagram chat, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, open your Instagram, log into your account. On the right top you will see a chat option. Simply select any friend you want to send avatar. So I select this friend. After that you have to click on the stickers from the right bottom here. Once you will click on it, right here you will see selfie, and after it you will see avatar option. Simply you have to click on that avatar, and after that you can send your avatar in the Instagram chat. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.